Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. In today's video, we're taking a look at two stocks that you probably haven't heard of in the rapidly growing sector of artificial intelligence. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we're talking about two AI stocks that are on the smaller side, but some analysts think have the potential for big growth. We're going to take a look at what these companies do and what these analysts are predicting for their future. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Okay, let's get right into these AI stocks. We're starting off with a mid-cap company called ALIT. Trading under the ticker ALIT, they're currently priced at $10 per share. ALIT is a multinational business process outsourcing company based out of Illinois. The company uses a proprietary AI to power their business analytics. ALIT has over 15,000 employees across the globe, proudly serving 4,300 clients and their more than 30 million employees and family members. They've turned business processes into a business process as a service, or BPaaS model, offering customers subscriptions for cloud-based digital solutions for managing business processes and human capital. This includes services like health benefits, retirement benefits, payroll, workforce, and professional services. With the workforce constantly changing, there have been several trends magnified and accelerated by the pandemic. We now have 1 in 3 workers in alternative work arrangements. The ALIT stock just recently made its debut on the public market on July 6th after completing a SPAC merger with the Foley Transamine acquisition company. Proceeds from this SPAC merger allowed ALIT to pay off more than 40% of the company's total debt. Just a couple weeks ago, on August 12th, the company released their first earnings report since becoming a publicly traded company. They reported modest but real gains in revenue, a year-over-year increase of nearly 4% to $672 million. That gain was driven by the BPaaS revenue gains of 19%. Business process as a service brought in $94 million in revenue, which was 14% of their total. Also supporting the top-line growth was the nearly 14% increase in total bookings to $435 million and a whopping 287% gain in their BPaaS bookings to $240 million. With this strong momentum, the company raised their fiscal year 2021 revenue growth outlook. They're now expecting 3 to 5% year-over-year revenue growth with an adjusted EBITDA of $610 to $620 million. Weighing in on the ALIT stock is analyst Kevin McVeigh from Credit Suisse. He says that ALIT is poised to enjoy multiple expansion as revenue remixes to analytics versus health and wealth and payroll processing. With its business process as a service, capabilities, and automated service delivery with data and AI, ALIT captures insights via proprietary datasets, helping employers and employees through its enterprise employee engagement platform, optimizing outcomes. Now, Kevin is one of just 2 analysts that have a rating on the ALIT stock. And both those analysts rated a buy. Their average price target of $15.50 would be an upside potential of 54% over this next year. Next up, we have a micro-cap stock with Real Networks. With a market cap of nearly $82 million, they trade under the ticker RNWK and are priced at $1.80 per share. Real Networks uses AI to power computer vision technology, along with multimedia and textual analysis. Their premier product is Sapphire, an AI-powered computer vision and facial recognition platform designed for use with live video streaming. Sapphire stands for Secure Accurate Facial Recognition, and the platform is capable of learning from past trials. It's demonstrated the ability to detect if an individual is wearing a face mask and still make a correct ID with 98.85% accuracy. This high level of accuracy and the ability to see through masks obviously made the product very well adapted for this pandemic. Earlier this year, the U.S. Air Force awarded a 3rd contract to Real Networks for Sapphire under the Small Business Innovation Research Program. Their second leading product is called Context. It is a text and multimedia analysis platform that uses natural language processing to manage mobile text messaging and spam controls. Context can filter messages, enforce gray route policies, and defend against fraud. Its NLP is an AI-based technology leveraging machine learning to power the platform's tasks. Now, on top of these two products, the company also offers mobile games. Their Gamehouse Original Stories has had 160 million downloads across 40 different story games. In fact, they've seen a 24% compound annual growth rate in mobile game sales over the last 5 years. At the beginning of August, Real Networks shared their second quarter earnings report. The AI-based business products doubled their revenue year over year. The gain was driven mainly by Sapphire, which saw 282% revenue growth. Context revenue grew by 15%. The total company revenue came in at $14.6 million, which was down from $40 million in the year-ago quarter. Covering the stock is analyst Mark Argento from Lake Street. Following their quarterly results, he said that management indicated it would be leaning into its AI investment and increasing its spending to accelerate the growth of its platforms. Real Networks is in a prime position to execute against the more extensive and growing market opportunity with strong end market demand for AI-related security solutions. Now, Mark is actually the only analyst that currently has a rating on the stock, and he rates it a buy. His $6 price target would be a 244% upside potential over this next year. So there we have two under-the-radar artificial intelligence stocks that analysts think have the potential for some big growth. Now, I'd love to hear from you guys and your opinions on these two companies, so make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. Although these are rated by fairly highly rated analysts, there aren't many ratings, so it's always important to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you back here next time.